The Denaztl 21V Cordless Leaf Blower features an impressive high-speed brushless turbine motor, ensuring powerful and efficient performance for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Equipped with a 21-volt, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, this leaf blower offers a long-lasting power supply and quick charging capabilities, making it incredibly convenient for extended use. Constructed with an ABS case, the cordless blower is both durable and resistant to wear, providing a reliable tool that withstands high temperatures and heavy use. With its compact size and lightweight design, the blower is easy to handle and store, allowing for one-handed operation and saving space when not in use. This versatile handheld blower is not only perfect for clearing leaves, but also excels at drying cars, blowing snow, and cleaning various surfaces like keyboards and blinds. Designed with user convenience in mind, the ergonomic grip and portable nature make it an excellent gift choice, especially for outdoor enthusiasts and garden lovers.